Hello everyone. Um, this video is to show you how you can join a Zoom meeting or a Zoom class, because this is going to be how we are going to meet twice a week. So when you log into your course, your Canvas course of O72, you will always go here, which will be your home page, where you will see this when you start the course. And on the left side, you have all these tabs. So you're going to click on the tab called Zoom. And once you go here, you will see that I have set up a meeting. And all you have to do is click on Join and just follow what is asking you to do. So you've got to open this link. And it'll connect you. And if you have your camera and video available, then it'll show yourself. Even if you can't see me, should show yourself. And make sure this mic here is on and your camera, this is on. That's how I can see you and I can hear you. And once we are done with our class, all of us will leave the meeting. Okay? And I will share my screen sometimes to show you some stuff here as if I'm showing you on a board. So, and then and I will also sometimes record the session in case some students are not able to make it. But otherwise, this is what you will see when you log into Zoom, okay? And so I'm going to leave the meeting. So we are done.